What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to purchase Amazon gift cards or top up your Amazon account with your PayPal account. Now you might know that Amazon does not directly connect with PayPal, so what you need to do is purchase a gift card. So as you can see right here, you can use your direct bank transfer or you can use PayPal. Now in this option I want to use PayPal. Now what I want to do, I want to go to this website called Dumble. So I'm search for Dumble. Now quick disclaimer, Dumble does not sponsor this video, so I'm just going to show you guys. So I go to this website. Now as you see, I can purchase different gift cards from Amazon and things like that. So I'm going to click on this side button right here, and I said Amazon gift card. You can see gift card right here. Click on gift card, and I'm going to choose Amazon gift card. Alright, so what I want to do is purchase a $30 gift card. So I'm going to purchase the $10 one right now. So the total there is $36. Check out the PayPal. So I'm gonna pay balance with my PayPal account. And now my order has been created. So what you're going to do now is going to check your email to see if they're sending the code to your email. Or you can just copy your code right here to redeem your account balance. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to Amazon account. So I'm going to click my profile picture icon right here, which I already on right here. So I want to go to your account. You're going to scroll down to where you see gift cards. Manage gift card and balance. Click on that right here. So you see my balance is $0 right here. So I'm going to reload my balance by redeem your gift card. So I'm going to click on that right here. So I'm going to claim by pasting my code right here. I'm going to apply my balance. As you guys can see that my new balance has successfully added. And that's how you add your PayPal. Use your PayPal to pay to buy Amazon gift card to use it on your Amazon account. So if this video was helpful guys, please remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this.